Subscribe and your crush will crush on you too. 100% legit.
That's a lie.
Ain't no fucking way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy.
Wow. Yo, new PC? Pong. No! Oh no!
Bro, just look over.
Yo, can I borrow some ketchup then?
Sure, bro.
Thanks, bro.
Oh my god, no.
Oh, look at little fun footrests. Let me try it out.
There's no bottom half.
Sí, patrona, como veía, ya estamos terminando el piso. Sí, estamos terminando el piso, ya solo nos queda este lado.
Wow, he actually did it.
Start, we ain't know where a bookstore was, nigga. We right here in front of Barney's and Nobley, nigga. Every day. Came in here and got all your books, nigga. Everything, nigga. You know what I mean?
Whoa,
Fuck this
whoa,
books,
whoa.
nigga. All the rage, nigga. We got rage, nigga. We in the streets.
Just because I'm Mexican, it doesn't mean I need to work a stereotypical job. I'm gonna be a streamer.
I get it. That game does look pretty fun though.
This is how we do security in ICH.
Everything that has, oh my god.
Hey. You guys are being too loud. Open this right now. Who's there? We you. We you.
Wow. What the hell? What the fuck? Vertical.
I asked all my friends to nod their head while holding something random.
Anything is a dildo when you really put your mind to it. There's no such thing as too large or too sharp. Every time you stop to question yourself, I want you to tell yourself, I can, and I will.
What the hell? It's a frog.
Kelsey? Kelsey? Please pull the car over and let my girl out. Please let my girlfriend out.
It says inside
Kelsey,
is your girl.
You had one job, bro, to get a washer and a dryer. But what did you order?
Buy two, get one free.
But what did you order?
Listen to the deal.
It's a great deal. It's a great deal, John. But not for refrigerators, bro. Not for refrigerators.
He had me fooled. Holy shit. Nice.
Hi. You are currently being recorded.
Did you see it?
I did. I saw it. I saw it.
Oh.
I saw how he danced. Wow. la 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 la.
Oh, jolie.
Jolie.
Oh, very nice.
So he keeps his beer. What?
Hey babe, are we trying that new freaky position tonight when we get home? Or
Yeah, baby.
So nasty. Why do you always do that? Like that's.
are you kidding me? Dude, split bill then. Wait, no, not here.
Bro, what the hell? Where did you come from? How did you get here?
It's a gopher. 2 drunk guys, 1 wheelchair. Oh.
I need to learn how to love myself.
Oh my god!
Then no one will. My
What?
friends call me
Wow, what a friend! What the?
So I'm having a
wait,
burger.
what?
It's lettuce wrapped. French fries, but they're lettuce wrapped. Onion rings, but it's lettuce wrapped.
Oh my god.
What in the hell's going on here? Hey! Leave them alone! Quit that fighting! I'm gonna tell your mama!
Oh no, it's the mythic tree. Meow. Clash of Cats? Whoa! Let's try not to get me banned, please.
Person to my right fondle my balls.
Oh, look at this
Fondle them.
goofy
Do
mess.
it.
Lizzie, what's the alien's favorite part of a computer?
What?
A space bar.
I'm dead.
Huh?
Does it have hiccups? Oh my god, that's so cute. Hector? Oh, what the hell? Oh, what is that goo? It says freezer spotted at Walmart. Freezer.
In the name of Jesus! In the name of Jesus! Satan ain't nobody scared of you! The blood of Jesus is against you! I plead the blood of Jesus! Right now in the name of Jesus! Come out in the name of Jesus! You will not have my child! In the name of Jesus!
What the
You're
hell?
regulator, my God! You know all about why I called this!
Damn,
A
holy
romantic
shit.
candlelit dinner would be incomplete without my balls in your face.
Okay, Grandma. Alright. Oh, that chalky milk is nasty. You know what's funny? When I was like in middle school, I used to do this all the time. I used to mix all my food and just pour the milk in the food. Giant Cheeto. I don't know, I really like to do that. It's really weird. I wouldn't eat it though.
Biologica.
What? Biologica.
Oh. Well, he went this way, and then he went that way, and then he went this way, and then I go this way, and then I go that way. Oh God! Oh my God!
Bad bitch is sweeter.
Bad bitch is sweeter than molasses. Oh my god. These motherfuckers don't know what's about to hit them. Eye fruit. Mushroom man. Ooh, ow, he slipped.
この間売った腎臓が120万。右目が30万。金玉片方売って
Sold one of my nuts.
いくらで売れたっけ ?10 万もしなかったんだっけ
Oh my god.
残りの借金は3804万円。
What the fuck? It's a mouse.
Tiens-moi lui dire, mais je n'ose pas. Lui qui me fait tourner dans les vides, vides. Tourner dans les vides, vides. Tourner dans les vides. Mais tourner dans les vides, vides, vides. Tourner.
Damn, Andrew.
Да.
Jeez.
Терпение, только терпение, да, Декстер?
Ohio. Columbus. Dublin. Yield of corn. Is there really a place like that? Do you guys know anybody who lives in Ohio? Fields of corn?
Ich soll dich fordern, bis keiner aus dem Gauden.
What?
It's only screaming into the gate again. आता he's Americano. La Pologne, Angleterre, la France. Marocain, Hi Hitler.
What? What? Oh my god, chat. I don't really know when these things appear. Bonk. Is that Batman? Oh, it's a cat. What the fuck? Oh no!
看人家这口袋，包里，里面还带牙的，这口袋。
Bro, check out this cold start.
Mattia, can you explain your situation with you?
I mean, it's quite simple. It's like I broke my screen. Screen doesn't work really. And so now I have a
He has the
USB-A
mouse.
to USB-A, that becomes a USB-C input, and then I can scroll through interweb like with my mouse.
Oh my god, dude, just
So
buy
it's
yourself
nice.
a new phone.
And you can like make it like more for up. We can be, you see?
He's using his belly? He is able to enable the unable to be able.
31 hours on settings. What do you even... And then the 23 hours on Safari. What is going on? Settings in Safari. Yeah, bro, we're on to...
Damn. Oh no! That song, what is that song? I've always wanted to know. It's so rarely played in memes, but it's funny. My cat. Meow. Oh no. It came back to him? Oh, wow.
GMC. Chevy.
Nissan? What the fuck are you doing? Oh my god.
О, ты тут, здоров.
Just shakes his head. Oh, it's the bump. It's like a speed bump or something. It's not a speed bump, but there's like a crack there. What the hell? Monkey.
ما شاء الله. فين مخك فين؟ صفق مرة.
Intelligent monkey. It's a tractor.
I'm in my OG right now. Nigga, stand still, nigga, damn.
The fucking cunt. Oh my god, the lock doesn't work. Dio? Justice for the bank. Deja vu. He fell into the water.
Bueno,
I wonder if
muchachos,
they're
hoy
even
les vengo a
aware.
enseñar un tip para cómo separar cuando se te pegan los huevos.
Huevos. What?
Hey, do you know how to speak Spanish? You look like you know how.
You don't know how to speak Spanish. All you gotta do is just add an ah at the end of every English word.
Wait, really?
Yeah, try it. Take the word perfect.
Perfecta.
Good, now try the word whole.
Hola.
Disfruit.
Disfruta.
Nig.
Nig.
Ah! Oh my god! How do we know when these things are gonna happen? Oh my god!
Oh my god. Oh my god, bro.
Damn.
Abuela, ¿qué prefieres? ¿A Messi o a Cristiano?
Ninguno.
¿Cómo?
A ti.
Sí. Damn, Grandma. You did not have to do that. Sad.
I'm out with you.
You have a weapon on you? You do? Alright.
I get it.
What's up, Bob? Have a seat, please, sir.
Wow.
How can I help you?
¿Hablas español?
Un momento. Hola, ¿qué le puedo dar?
Can I get a large Dr. Pepper?
Bruh. It's a grumpy cat. Snip.
No!
I love this.
Can I get a large Dr. Pepper?
Sniffs. Oh, stinky.
Bruh. No, dude!
That's such a cute doggo. Oh no.
I could save time in a battle. First thing that I'd like to do is to save every day till eternity.
Oh no.
Let me shoot that.
Alright. Kobe.
Babe, I'm getting really wet.
Really? Oh shit!
Are you dumbass boy? The child was on.
Didn't. Oh no, the snow. Damn, it's really nasty. It's like fucking diarrhea, Don.
For Zoe.
Which one's oat milk?
Yeah, so if you open your fucking eyes.
Hello?
Damn.
Hello? Open the door. Please.
It doesn't fit.
Invented a family fun game to where whatever number he throws that pops up on the screen, we're gonna do something with that number. Let's try it.
69.
So what did I get? I don't make the rules. Let's go and bam! We catch ourselves a baby hammerhead. Look at him.
Oh my god, it's
He's
so
cool.
cute.
Bam!
Faster! I gotta go fast.
Speed.
On today's episode of How Fucked Up Is Fucked Up. That's fucked up. And that's fucked up. And
oh my god, no! That is fucked up. Damn, I don't think he even realizes it. You found a new glitch on making sausage. Use it before it gets patched. What? Wait, what? Ancient Egyptian furry roleplay, okay. The magic sex cars? What the hell? Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. The bear is his friend. That has to be a Russian guy. Nice. What the fuck is this?
No. No. No.
Whoa, what?
Roar.
No. Yeah, after a few minor difficulties, I have now finally managed to complete the test.
SpongeBob, you gotta see this!
Luigi. Oh, this is where the chocolate sauce all drops at once. My bird is.
Alright, you have a go. Hey, matter of fact, here. You gotta add us too.
Boy, what the fuck? Boy, is you cool?
What you mean?
What the fuck is this?
They say I'm so gay I can't even drive
stop
straight.
playing with me, bro. For motherfuckers come back there and get on that with you, boy.
What you mean? What I do?
Hey, bro, keep that shit to yourself, bro. You tweaking, boy.
I'm not charging you for it. I'm saying you got it for free.
No, bro, I don't want none of that shit, bro. Stop playing with us, boy. Hey.
I'll take it. I'm gay.
What the hell? They got an iPhone?
What's for dinner?
Wow, it's a massive rat. Minecraft? Oh my god, the hamster!
私はスカイラーホワイト。夫はウォルターホワイトだからよ。そうよ。夫に全部聞いた。
マジで。
そうよ。
He's gonna do the blue one. Look at this.
Damn. It's a bath bomb. No, the toaster! Oh my god. Damn, so good that nobody's in there. Tarantula? I actually really think tarantulas are really cute.
Mira, te voy a explicar lo que me hace feliz. ¿Ves? Esto de acá, sí, mira. Mira,
What the fuck are you doing? That's Gato.
Пёс, вставай! Пёс!
Oh my god, the dog! The dog! Dog! Oh no! It's been frozen! Oh my god, that's funny. You just fell asleep there. Nice. I brought him today. Is that a... What the fuck is that, a weasel? He woke me up at 3 a.m. What the fuck are you doing? That dog looks really old. I should explain it to my mom. How should I explain it to my mom? You're just explain it. You're just an idiot. What the hell? Damn, what a badass. I find that funny. No, dog! No! What the fuck is going on there? Oh my god! That is surely, that's something, alright. Is a sneeze.
How does this work? Oh, you're a quick one.
Oh,
Okay.
you're a quick one,
Alright.
aren't you?
Oh, yeah, there we go.
Oh, yeah, there we go. Cat, he's gone. It's Watermelon Man! Wow, the watermelon cat.
Finally, a BMW driver using their blinker.
Oh my god!
Kinda. Sure, but
It's a kitty. A Roblox cat? Oh my god!